1. 1932 Ford Coupe. Price, $45,000. Located Topeka, Kansas. This 1932 Ford Coupe is a beautifully restored classic hot rod that blends iconic pre-war styling with reliable modern upgrades, making it an excellent choice for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Finished in a sleek black exterior paired with a bold red interior, this coupe delivers a timeless and eye-catching appearance that stands out wherever it goes. With only 300 miles driven since its restoration, this vehicle reflects minimal use and careful ownership. Under the hood, this coupe is powered by a small block Chevrolet V8 engine, a proven and dependable choice known for its strong performance and easy maintenance. The engine is paired with an automatic transmission, providing smooth shifting and a comfortable driving experience suitable for both cruising and longer trips. The drivetrain setup ensures this car is not only visually appealing but also highly functional on modern roads. The suspension has been upgraded with a Mustang 2 front end and a coilover rear setup with traction bars, significantly improving handling, stability, and ride quality. These enhancements make the car more responsive while maintaining classic hot rod character. Everything on the vehicle is reported to be in working condition, adding confidence for immediate use. Additional features include a car cover and a removable top cover, offering added convenience and protection. This 1932 Ford Coupe is a well-rounded and stylish cruiser ready to be enjoyed on the road or showcased at events. 2. 1930 Ford Coupe. Price, $38,000. Located Union, Missouri. This 1930 Ford Coupe is a beautifully customized hot rod that blends classic early Ford styling with carefully selected modern upgrades, creating a unique and highly desirable street rod. Featuring a distinctive 1932 front nose and grille, this coupe stands out with a bold and aggressive look while maintaining its vintage roots. The vehicle is described as being in like new condition, showcasing the quality of its build and ongoing care. Powering this coupe is a late 1980s Chevrolet 350 V8 engine, paired with a strong performance setup that includes a high-rise intake, headers, and a full exhaust system. This combination provides reliable power and a satisfying driving experience. The vehicle also includes air conditioning and heat, offering added comfort, although a minor leak in one of the aluminum AC line fittings has been noted as an easy fix. The chassis features a Volkswagen front end combined with Mustang 2 suspension, delivering improved handling and ride quality. The braking system has been fully updated, ensuring dependable stopping performance. A Ford 9-inch rear end further enhances durability and strength. With a solid all-steel body, minimal paint imperfections, and a well-maintained interior, this 1930 Ford Coupe is ready for shows or enjoyable cruising. 3. 1934 Ford Panel Truck. Price, $25,900. Located Barnhart, Missouri. This 1934 Ford Panel Truck is a unique and practical classic that combines vintage styling with modern mechanical components, making it a distinctive and functional street rod. Finished in a blue exterior with a gray interior, this vehicle presents well while offering a rare panel truck body style that stands out among traditional hot rods. With approximately 4,000 miles recorded, it has been driven sparingly and remains in very good condition. Under the body, this truck is built on a Fox body Mustang platform, incorporating a complete powertrain, suspension, and undercarriage from a modern donor vehicle. It is powered by a 5.0-liter V8 engine paired with a Ford AOD automatic overdrive transmission, delivering reliable performance and improved highway cruising capability. The braking system consists of front disc brakes and rear drum brakes, providing balanced and dependable stopping power. The truck rides on American Racing Torque thrust wheels fitted with older but functional tires. A unique feature is the Oldsmobile Vista Cruiser-style plexiglass roof windows, allowing natural light into the cargo area. Inside, it features bucket seats, power windows, tilt steering, and classic-style gauges. This 1934 Ford Panel Truck is an eye-catching and versatile classic ready to drive. 4. 1936 Chevrolet Custom. Price, $55,000. Located Augusta, Kansas. This 1936 Chevrolet Custom is a professionally built show-quality vehicle that stands out as a true award-winning classic. Finished in a rich burgundy exterior with a tan interior, this car presents an elegant and refined appearance that reflects its high level of craftsmanship. With approximately 19,300 miles, it has been carefully maintained and remains in excellent condition. This custom build has earned over 75 trophies, including 15 Best of Show awards, demonstrating its exceptional quality and attention to detail. Built from the ground up, every aspect of the vehicle has been thoughtfully designed and executed to meet high show standards while remaining fully functional for driving. The car is equipped with an automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and comfortable operation. It also features air conditioning, providing modern comfort that enhances the driving experience, especially during warmer conditions. The vehicle has been consistently garage-kept, preserving both its exterior finish and interior condition. Additional accessories include a protective front bra, helping maintain the pristine condition of the paint. This 1936 Chevrolet Custom is ideal for collectors seeking a proven show car that is ready to compete or enjoy on the road. 5. 1927 Ford Roadster Highboy. Price: $21,000. Located Lecompton, Kansas. This 1927 Ford Roadster Highboy is a classic all-steel hot rod that perfectly captures the spirit of early American performance builds while offering reliable modern mechanical upgrades. Registered as an antique 1927 Roadster, this vehicle maintains its vintage identity while delivering a fun and engaging driving experience. Finished in a burgundy exterior paired with a black interior, it presents a clean and timeless appearance that turns heads wherever it goes. Powering this Roadster is a 302 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a C4 automatic transmission, providing smooth acceleration and dependable performance. The engine benefits from a newer long block installed approximately 4 years ago, ensuring continued reliability. Power is delivered through a Ford 9-inch rear end, known for its durability and ability to handle increased performance demands. Additional features include an aluminum intake for barrel carburetor, aluminum radiator, and electric cooling fan, all contributing to efficient operation. The rear airbag suspension with onboard compressor enhances ride quality and allows adjustability. Chrome headers and aluminum wheels complete the build with a polished look. With low mileage and solid condition, this 1927 Ford Highboy is ready for cruising or weekend shows. 6. 1930 Ford Roadster 32 Trim. Price: $50,000. Located Horn Lake, Mississippi. This 1930 Ford Roadster with 1932 trim is a high-quality all-steel street rod that combines classic styling with carefully selected performance upgrades, making it an excellent cruiser built for both comfort and reliability. Finished in a blue exterior with a tan interior, this Roadster presents beautifully with a clean and well-maintained appearance. With approximately 1,500 miles recorded, it reflects limited use and recent refurbishment work. Under the hood, this vehicle is powered by a 302 V8 engine equipped with aluminum heads and a larger roller cam, delivering strong and responsive performance. The engine was professionally built and has approximately 800 miles since completion. It is paired with an automatic transmission featuring a new 2,800 stall converter, ensuring smooth operation and improved acceleration. The car rides on a well-fabricated frame with Wilwood disc brakes on all 4 corners, providing excellent stopping power. Additional features include a dropped front axle, new wiring throughout, and fully functional gauges. The build quality reflects attention to detail and a focus on drivability. Capable of maintaining highway speeds comfortably or handling city traffic with ease, this 1930 Ford Roadster is a refined and dependable street rod ready to enjoy. 7. 1933 Chevrolet Classic Rat Rod. Price: $12,000. Located Waterloo, Nebraska. This 1933 Chevrolet Classic Rat Rod is a unique and aggressive custom build that embodies the raw and stripped-down style of traditional rat rods. Finished in a gray exterior with a matching gray interior, this pickup offers a rugged and purposeful look that stands out from more polished builds. With approximately 666 miles driven, it has seen limited use and remains a solid running vehicle. Under the hood, this rat rod is powered by a 350 small block Chevrolet V8 engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission, delivering dependable performance and ease of driving. The drivetrain setup ensures that the vehicle runs and drives well, making it suitable for both cruising and further customization. The body has been chopped and modified with a ZD frame, giving it a lower and more aggressive stance. This design enhances its visual appeal and contributes to its distinctive rat rod character. The vehicle is described as being drivable as is, while also offering potential for additional finishing touches depending on the buyer's preference. With an appraisal value higher than the asking price, this 1933 Chevrolet Rat Rod presents a great opportunity for enthusiasts seeking an affordable and eye-catching custom hot rod. 8. 1934 Chevrolet Coupe. Price: $60,000. Located St. Peters, Missouri. This 1934 Chevrolet Coupe is a high-end street rod build that combines aggressive performance with refined craftsmanship, making it a standout choice for serious collectors and enthusiasts. Built with a Downs body and chassis, this vehicle reflects a professional level of construction designed for both performance and long-distance cruising. Its clean and modernized appearance highlights the timeless lines of the original 1934 design while incorporating contemporary upgrades throughout. Under the hood, this coupe is powered by a massive 468 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine, equipped with a roller thumper cam, roller rockers, and aluminum Brodix heads. This high-performance setup delivers substantial power and an unmistakable exhaust note. The engine is paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission, providing smooth shifting and highway-friendly overdrive capability. The chassis features independent front suspension along with coilovers at both the front and rear, significantly improving ride quality and handling. A Ford 9-inch rear end with 3.73 gears ensures durability and efficient power delivery. Additional features include four-wheel disc brakes, rack and pinion steering, power brakes, and vintage air conditioning for enhanced comfort. With a leather interior and tilt steering wheel, this 1934 Chevrolet Coupe offers both luxury and performance in one complete package. 9. 1930 Ford 5-Window Coupe Steel Body. Price: $42,995. Located Ontario, Ohio. This 1930 Ford 5-Window Coupe is a customized steel body street rod that blends classic hot rod styling with show-quality craftsmanship, making it an excellent option for enthusiasts seeking a well-built and proven vehicle. Known as a multi-show winner, this coupe has already demonstrated its appeal and quality at various automotive events. Its overall presentation reflects careful attention to detail and consistent maintenance. Under the hood, the vehicle is powered by a Chevrolet 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, delivering reliable and smooth performance. This drivetrain combination is widely respected for its durability and ease of maintenance, making the car both enjoyable and practical to own. With approximately 6,000 miles recorded, the vehicle has been driven enough to ensure reliability while still maintaining excellent condition. The interior was professionally completed by Abraham Raber, adding a high level of craftsmanship and comfort to the cabin. The finish and materials contribute to the car's show-ready appearance. This 1930 Ford Coupe offers a balanced combination of performance, style, and proven show success, making it a great addition to any classic car collection. 10. 1932 Ford 3-Window Pro Street. Price: $28,000. Located Springfield, Ohio. This 1932 Ford 3-Window Pro Street is a purpose-built high-performance machine that blends classic hot rod styling with serious drag racing capability. Featuring a fiberglass body, this coupe has been engineered for strength and reduced weight, making it an ideal platform for high-horsepower performance. Its aggressive stance and race-inspired setup give it a commanding presence both on the street and at the track. Under the hood, this vehicle is powered by a 421 cubic inch stroker engine equipped with aluminum heads, delivering impressive power output. The engine is paired with a 2-speed Powerglide transmission featuring a transbrake and a 3,500 stall converter, ensuring rapid launches and consistent performance. The drivetrain is further supported by a Ford 9-inch rear end with strange components and 5.13 gears, designed to handle extreme torque. The chassis includes coilover suspension and a certified roll cage, enhancing both safety and handling. Additional features include dual fuel cells, Magna Fuel System components, Holley XP carburetor, and a line lock system. Racing seats with 5-point harnesses complete the interior setup. Capable of running in the 5.8-second range, this 1932 Ford Pro Street is built for speed and performance enthusiasts. 11. 1946 Rat Rod. Price, $22,000. Located Urbana, Ohio. This 1946 Rat Rod is a classic post-war custom build that embraces the raw and aggressive styling that defines the rat rod culture. With its stripped-down aesthetic and rugged character, this vehicle offers a unique driving experience that stands apart from more refined hot rods. Built for both function and attitude, it is a great option for enthusiasts looking for a bold and distinctive ride. Power comes from a 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, providing reliable performance and ease of driving. The vehicle is described as running and driving well, making it suitable for immediate use while still offering potential for further customization. The drivetrain setup ensures a balance between performance and practicality. This rat rod has benefited from numerous new parts, contributing to its overall condition and dependability. Its build focuses on simplicity and mechanical accessibility, which is a key appeal for many hot rod enthusiasts. The car's design allows owners to enjoy a hands-on experience while maintaining a strong visual presence. With negotiable pricing and solid mechanical condition, this 1946 Rat Rod is an affordable and eye-catching custom vehicle ready for the road.